few days ago, I don't know, it's been probably 4 or 5 days ago, I had an oil change in my car. Now my car does not have a lot of miles on it, and all my cars I've ever owned, I've never had no oil leak. And all of a sudden, I have an oil leak. It's like a burn smell and going on, and it's smoking a little bit here or there. But I wanted to show you where it's located at, underneath the hood. And supposedly it's the valve cover and the intake. I'm going to show you where it's leaking from. Hang on. Wow. So I got the hood propped open and it is still warm from me driving it a couple of hours ago. This is ridiculous. Watch who changes your oil, people. Whew, that's hot to the touch. Whew. Okay, let me see if I can shine the flashlight at the same time here. Okay, let you see where it is. This is underneath. I'll show you where it's at. Let's see if I can point the flashlight down there. It's right. Hold on. It's leaking. The oil is leaking right here. That's the intake area. Spark plugs are soaking with oil right in there, and that's where it's leaking at right there. I don't know if you can see it good or not. Hold on. Trying to hold the hood and flashlight at the same time. What in the world? Anyway, it's leaking out of that intake right there into that little pan right there. If you can see it, that's the intake right here. Let me hold the hood and do it. All those spark plugs need changing out now because of this leak. It's leaking out right there. Just a crumb right there of oil. Never had an oil leak ever until that oil change. So yeah, that's my next project.